I ordered some Thuja Green Giant trees from fastgrowingtrees.com. They're supposed to get up to about 60 feet tall, about 12 to 15 feet wide, and we're trying to block out some sound, and we don't want to see a particular road that is visible from our property. So let's get into these trees. I've never ordered trees online. I've never ordered from this company. So I hope all the trees are alive. They've made it here safe and none of them are dead. Hopefully they're all thriving. It was actually really fast to get these shipped in. I ordered them like 2 days ago. I never expected them here this fast. It says to open immediately, so here we go. All right, we've got some trees, some literature here, planting tips or whatever. It's supposed to be 10 in each box. And I'm actually really surprised at what I'm seeing. They look great. They look super healthy. Here's one of them. They come in this size container here. Not even sure what size that is, but this is awesome. All right. Thuja Green Giant, 1 quart, I guess, is the size of this container. Let's get them all unpacked. But if they all look like this, I'm gonna be really happy. Yeah, this is awesome. I forgot to mention, I got the smallest size, which is supposed to be between 1 to 2 feet. And they're definitely all at least a foot, and some of them are quite a bit bigger. So they're very accurate in their descriptions. All right, so here they are. 20 Thuja Green Giants. They all look really healthy. I'm super impressed and very happy so far with what I'm seeing. Yeah, it's an awesome company. Now I'm gonna get them in the dirt. Hopefully they thrive. And we'll have some nice screening for that area. All right, everybody, I'll keep you updated on this project. Gonna have to use the auger to dig these holes and get them in the ground. Thanks.